Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to continue the same thing what we have done last class. We have studied about stationary waves on stretched string. Now we are going to study same thing, stationary waves on in organ pipes. Even when you consider when you are going on the road somewhere, you might have seen one big pipes, drainage pipes or some water pipes. So you might have seen those big pipes. So when heavy wind is blowing, so the waves will interfere within the pipe and you may heard some sound like like that. So that is what we call it as the superposition of two waves traveling in opposite directions, like one wave traveling in one direction and the reflected wave is traveling in opposite direction. So there the wave is reflecting from the open end, open surface. As I explained previous classes, the stationary wave can be formed by the reflection at rigid support or open surface or free end. Rigid end or free end. So here same case, that is, consider there is a pipe. The length of the pipe is L. Now waves are traveling and reflecting at a free end and they are mixing. As both ends are open, when you consider this kind of wave is not possible. Now this kind of wave is possible. Here open antinode. Here open antinode. Between two antinodes there must be one node. So like this it will form. So then when you consider the next possibility, half half, total how much? One loop. See, this is nothing but this one. Half half, one loop. Here one, half, total two loops. Here one, two, half. So total three loops. You should have reminded something here that in case of open pipe, the waves, standing waves forms throughout the pipe is similar like stretched string. One loop, two loops, three loops, so on. One loop, two loop, three loops, so on. Here the difference is here it ends nodes. Here it ends antinodes. So that is the difference. Always antinode, always node. But here one loop, two loop, three loop. So the wavelength remains same. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 if you consider. In this case, length of the pipe equal to lambda 1 by 2, one loop. In this case, length equal to here lambda by 4, or else 2, nothing but lambda 2. Here length is how much? Half, 1, 2, 3 half loops. That means 3 lambda by 2. This is nothing but 2 lambda by 2. 1 lambda by 2, 2 lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2, 4 lambda by 2, 5 lambda by 2, so on. Same like this. But here the speed of the wave is under root T by mu. But here this wave is sound wave or longitudinal wave. So what is the speed of longitudinal wave? Under root gamma RT by m. We have already studied speed of longitudinal wave in air. The wave is not traveling through pipe. The wave is traveling inside the pipe through air. So the standing waves are forming inside the air. That's why speed of longitudinal wave in air we have considered. Now in this case also there is particular frequency F1, F2, F3. But if you take same formula should come, because here F1 equal to V by lambda 1, V by L. So F1 will become, lambda 1 is 2L. So V by 2L. So if you understand the previous class, if you remember the previous class formula, these class formulas are simple. But the only difference is their transverse waves on string, that's why speed is this much. Here the longitudinal waves in air, that's why speed is this one. But frequency is same. The frequency, resonance frequencies are same. So here the next two, you can say directly F2 how much it should become? 2 times. How much this should become? 3 times. So on. So if you consider either string fixed between two supports or pipe open at both ends, the frequencies are like this. Fundamental frequency, second harmonic and third harmonic, so on. So that here nth overtone equal to n plus 1th harmonic. In both the cases nth overtone means n plus 1th harmonic. Like 12th overtone means 13th harmonic. So the frequency will become 13 times fundamental frequency. Like that, here n plus 1th harmonic means n plus 1 times F1, n plus 1 times V by 2L. But the only difference is speed is different in both the cases. So that you need to understand. So in case of pipes, organ pipes we call it as, open pipe case, same as that of what we studied in the last class. That is the string fixed between two rigid supports. There closed string, here open pipe, both are same, similar. Similar way, when one side is closed, then that is similar like open string. So once remind those things. So open string like this, first possibility, half loop, next possibility like this, next possibility like this, and so on. Fundamental frequency was V by 4L. Next one is 3 times F1. Next one is 5 times F1, so on. Now similar way, here if you consider closed pipe, see here, open, close, node, antinode, minimum like this, same like this. So here, then what should be the frequency? Should become V by 4L. But here speed is, what is the formula? Gamma RT by M, longitudinal wave in air. L is length of the pipe, length of the pipe or tube. Here L is the length of string. Here also V by 4L. Here also V by 4L. Because in terms of wavelength, if you write this length, how much it is? Quarter loop means lambda by 4. So that same way here the next possibility is like this. 1 half loop. Next 3 half loops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 half loops. So that here the frequency will become 3 times fundamental frequency, because this length will become 3 times lambda by 4. Next will become like this. One, two, three, four, five. 5 half loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the frequency will become? 5 times fundamental frequency. Where F1 is how much? V by 4L. Because here the length of the pipe in terms of wavelength is 5 times lambda by 4. So this way you can compare the previous class results for this one and you can understand easily. So the number of standing waves forms or number of waves for a standing wave between stretched string is same like in case of open pipe, and in case of open string same like closed pipe. Open pipe, closed string. Closed pipe, open string, both are same. So you have to understand that difference. And now they will ask simple and logical question. Suppose I will tell you one open pipe is there, length is L1. Now the frequency is something F, frequency of vibration, or suppose it is vibrating in let's say third overtone. What is the frequency initially? Third overtone. So third overtone means third overtone means fourth harmonic. So that F4 will become 4 times F1. This is the first frequency. Then suppose they asked, now some part of length is closed like this, or they can tell you take the open pipe and dip it in water like this. Now this is water. Now this will become rigid end. So let's take X part is dipped inside the water. Then remaining will become L1 minus X. Now it behaves like what? Closed pipe. Then the frequency, fundamental frequency will become V by 4. L is how much? L1 minus X. Then they can ask, suppose in this case, find the fifth overtone frequency. Fifth overtone means what? In case of closed pipe nothing but open string. Fifth overtone means in case of this nth overtone equal to what? 2n plus 1th harmonic. Like first overtone means third harmonic. Same way 2 into 5 plus 1. So 11th harmonic. So 11 times F1. So like this they can ask you questions simple and logical based. But formulas are those only. So what is the fifth harmonic or seventh overtone for open pipe or closed pipe or for open string or for closed string, like that they can ask you. Now if you consider brief manner in case of open pipe or closed string. Closed means closed at two ends. The fundamental frequency is V by 2L, and next one is 2F1, next one is 3F1, so on. So that the ratio will become 1:2:3, so on. Now in case of closed pipe or open string, the fundamental frequency is V by 4L, and next one is 3 times F1, next is 5 times F1, so on. So the ratio of possible resonance frequencies is 1 is to 3 is to 5 is so on. So the standing waves can form in 4 different situations. First one is the string fixed between two supports, and then one open string, then open pipe, then closed pipe. Like that they can ask you question based on anything. So the generalized question or simple question is, or any critical question or little bit difficult question, you have to understand that which one, which overtone or which corresponding harmonic you have to think, right? Sometimes they'll also ask like the simple question, like any take, open pipe, closed pipe, open string, closed string, some nth overtone, something is in resonance with some tuning fork whose frequency is F. So the frequency of tuning fork is same as that of the system frequency with which it is vibrating. That is called resonance. Resonance means both systems vibrate with same frequency. So here tuning fork frequency is F, and that is in resonance with another something. What, let's say, suppose open pipe, or let's say closed pipe. Closed pipe, third overtone. Third overtone frequency of closed pipe is in resonance with tuning fork whose frequency is F. Then third overtone means 2 into 3 plus 1 because it is closed pipe. So this much times harmonic means F1. So F equal to 7. F1 means V by 4L. So here 3 unknown data is there. Out of 3 they may give any 2. Then you have to find the third one. Like that, simple and very simple and logical based questions and formula based questions they will give based on the standing waves formation. Right? So please try to remember formulas and try to practice them and do the calculation carefully. So tomorrow or next class I will try to solve few questions from my side so that you will understand in a better way. Right? Thank you.